At Heffner Toyota, we're more than just a dealership. We're family. A family that you're a part of. That's because we believe in treating our customers with absolute care and respect, so that your experience with us is exceptional. The minute you get here, both you and your Toyota will be taken care of like nowhere else. While our experienced technicians service your Toyota, you can enjoy yourself in our dealership. Like enjoying a freshly brewed coffee and snacks at our coffee bar. Relax or use your time productively in our comfortable waiting area with a private space, free Wi-Fi, and outdoor patio. If your Toyota needs a parts replacement, we offer a 2-year or 40,000-kilometer warranty for genuine parts installed in-house by one of our Toyota certified technicians. And that's not the only benefit we offer. Even on your busiest days, you can still enjoy the Heffner Toyota experience. We offer a complimentary shuttle service from and to our dealership, so you can keep up with your day while we service your vehicle. And at the end of every service, your Toyota is treated to a complimentary car wash, so you don't have to worry about anything in your vehicle. We're dedicated to making your visit as pleasant and convenient as possible. Come and experience the Heffner Toyota difference today.